Hello and welcome all. I hope all of you are doing well. Okay, now today's topic is consumer equilibrium on multiple commodity model or two commodity model. Actually, this law states that consumer consumes various goods in such quantity that the marginal utility derived per unit of expenditure on each goods in the same manner. Actually, the whole meaning of that is a rational consumer spend his income on various goods he consume in such a manner that rupee invest on each goods yield the same marginal utility. Let us now explain consumer equilibrium in a multi-commodity model. In real life, people like me and you consume a large number of goods and services day-to-day life. For a sake of simplicity, however, we will consider only a two commodity case. Suppose that a consumer consumes only two commodity, X and Y, and their price is PX and PY. Is that clear? Okay. So that marginal utility of commodity X is equal to price of commodity X and marginal utility of Y is equal to price of commodity Y. We all know equilibrium rule of single commodity case. Like the same way, consumer will distribute his income between X and Y commodity, then the marginal utility of X is equal to price of X. Marginal utility of Y is equal to price of Y. इसको अगर हम दूसरे मैनर में देखें तो अल्टरनेटिवली क्या है, कंज्यूमर इज इन इक्विलिब्रियम. कैसे होगा? क्योंकि वी ऑल नो मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ एक्स डिवाइडेड बाय प्राइस ऑफ एक्स, है ना. कौन सा प्राइस? जिसपे कि उसकी इक्विलिब्रियम हो रही है, दैट इज इक्वल टू 1. क्यों? क्योंकि वो कांस्टेंट है, इक्विलिब्रियम हो रही है. तो सेम वे मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी ऑफ वाई डिवाइडेड बाय प्राइस ऑफ वाई, जहां पे उसका इक्विलिब्रियम हो रहा है, दैट इज द कांस्टेंट ऑफ 1. इज दैट क्लियर? दैट इज द इक्वेशन 1. अब क्या है, ड्यू टू एक हमारा एजम्पशन था, व्हाट इज दैट? That is the utility of money is constant. Due to this assumption, we rewritten equation 1 like that. Marginal utility of x divided by marginal utility of y is equal to px divided by py. और इसको फिर से अरेंज करें, डिराइव करें, that we get marginal utility of x divided by price of x is equal to marginal utility of y divided by price of y. That is our the equation number 2. Now equation 2 leads to the conclusion that the consumer reaches his equilibrium when the marginal utility derived each rupee spent on the two commodity X and Y in the same manner. Now the two commodity case provide the basis for generalizing the consumer equilibrium. In fact, a consumer consumes a large number of goods and services with his given income and at given price. Now let's supposing a consumer consume A to Z, that means the numerous of commodity like A to Z goods and services. His equilibrium condition may be expressed as क्या हो जाएगा, marginal utility A divided by price of A is equal to marginal utility B divided by price of B. Marginal utility of C divided by price C is equal to so on is equal to marginal utility of Z divided by price of Z. That is the Z, not 2. Z. Is that clear? Then ultimately we got marginal utility at equilibrium. Okay. Obviously, in order to achieve in equilibrium, what a utility maximizing consumer intend to equalize is not the marginality of each commodity he consume, but the marginal utility of each unit of his money expenditure on various goods and services. All the best. Take care. and don't forget to like, share and subscribe.